So I'm going to show you how to take screenshots on the Galaxy Tab A11. Now, one of the ways of taking screenshots is to press the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. And this is not a press and hold, it's just one press and release. So power, volume down, press once, release, the screen flashes, it takes a screenshot, and from here you can either share or tap on the edit button to edit that particular screenshot. Now all screenshots are saved in your gallery, so if you go to your gallery you should find all your screenshots saved there, and from here you can also share or edit these screenshots. So that is basically how to take screenshots, power and volume down. Okay, now you can also take screenshots without the using buttons. So for that one you have to go down, tap on the edit button, and then tap on edit, and then add the take screenshots button. And then once you add it, from now on, whenever you swipe down and swipe down again, you will see the take screenshot option, and you can use that to take screenshots without using the buttons. Thanks for watching and good luck.